Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the Shopify. How can we set up a Shopify store and the theme customization? In the last video, we have discussed regarding the overview of the Shopify, how Shopify works, what are the different features Shopify is having, and how the CMS platforms are better when we compare to the own self-made websites, the coding websites. Uh, so in this video, we will customize a theme and let's check within how many minutes we can customize a theme and we can launch our website. Okay, we're not going to launch because we don't have the payment gateway and the shipping integrations. We don't have that. So here in this video, we just create a like customize a theme. That's it. This is like not a lengthy video. We'll finish just in 10 minutes. That's it. So yesterday, if you can check the yesterday's video, you can just add the theme here, and if you want to purchase a new theme, you can also explore that. Just a second. So this is a theme store where you can purchase your themes. Okay, you can also have your theme from the theme forest, the other platforms. You can purchase the theme, but when you purchase a theme from the Shopify, it has already pass the eligibility criteria to set up the theme in the shop, right? So always prefer. It is costly. So outside you'll get around $50. You'll get a good theme, but you don't have the much options. It may crash. The code issues will be there. There will be no support. So try to purchase a theme from the Shopify store. It is a anyhow one-time investment. Choose your theme wisely and uh, select from the Shopify store. So if you have a good developer, that's fine. So from here, you can purchase your things. You can search here, then you can purchase. Got it? Then we'll go to the customization part. Anyhow, we have already added a theme. This is a default Dawn theme, which is Shopware default thing. Now we will customize this. This is also free thing. This is how it looks. Yesterday we have added three products. The three products are showing here, and then the footer itself. Then we'll add the columns. So how can we add the columns? Add section. Okay. These are the number of features we can add the 17 sections. Here the feature collection, feature product, collection list, rich text, image, image band, slideshow, everything. So we start with anyhow feature collection is there, right? So we'll come with the image and text. In the home page, we need to speak about our brand. So if it is a beauty care brand, we'll just add a brand logo or any brand picture, and then about the brand, we'll give a small introduction about the brand. Then in this also you can add multiple sections, but here we don't. Only have the one caption section is there. Each section will have the multiple sections. We here already have the features collection, so we are not going to pick the collection list here. For rich text, if you want to add, anyhow we are already added the brand logo and brand regarding the brand, right? So we don't want to tell again and again about the brand. Image banner. So we can add a good background image about the offer, support, or ingredients or something like that. Or we can have a slideshow here. We can display the number of products. In the slideshow also, we can add the number of slides. Multiple multi-column. This is useful for like adding a text regarding your the brand, the promises which you have. Like If a beauty care brands mostly they'll speak about the like they don't have the artificial they don't ingredients or they're not using harmful chemicals, plastic free, those kind of promises we can add. So in everything will have the we can design the same way, but the things are if it is a very premium thing, they have more options, multiple row. This is also useful. Uh, so promises, you have different type of categories, different collapsible tabs. We will use anyhow because this is for FAQs. Section email sign up already there in the contact form. If you want, you can add the contact form. You can add in video about the brand. Sees the video. Always see, don't upload the video because if you upload the video, it will be around uh, 30 to 40 MB. That affects the Shopify speed. So try to always include a link, okay? Embedded link, the YouTube link. Upload your YouTube video in the YouTube and then copy the URL here. And the blog post, the number of blogs which you have. Sometimes what happens, I already told you in the last video, Shopify is built with the liquid theme. So liquid code which is only Shopify script. Okay. Mean outside the world we won't use the liquid code. This is very similar to JavaScript and PHP. So if you are good at the JavaScript and PHP, you can write the liquid code. It's not big deal. Okay. Most of the liquid code is based on the tags and all. For the premium themes, we also have the custom HTML. So you can add the or tags in the HTML images, or you can also make some styling using the CSS. So few edits you can do in the section wise. So last we have this option called page title. So you can add any page from your store. I think all set up. So let's check the preview here. We'll save. Now we are going. So I'm not adding any images or any products. So I just want to show you. So this is the way for then you need to just change the images, change the text. That's it. Then change the colors. That's it. Then no need to worry about anything. These are the sections I want to share with you. So once the sections are finalized, just you need to work on the images. That's it. I'm not going to do the graphic design part in this video. So this is about the oh, business name. So you can also add the logo here, the slider. I think all set up. The beautiful shop store. Okay. Then so this is a home page, right? So how can we design a product page? We also discover the product. Come here, go to the product section. This is the default product style which we are having right now. This only we have the options called the image, business name, product name, product pricing, the quantity, add to cart by share. Then what we'll do if we can add some any blocks, you can add the complementary product which is a cross sell feature. This helps many brands. So we have entered that. Then I'm going to select any brand. we'll add the sections. So I'm adding the featured collection, collections, quick order list. So here we'll add the same image with the text about the brand, and we'll also add include the testimonials. So in this theme we don't have the testimonial option, but we need to add a application to this website. Then we can include the testimonials. So we'll add the FAQs regarding the products. That's it. If possible, we can also include the video about the product. Okay, how to use that, or how it made, or how can we use that. In this way, make your product page very simple. Your product information then comes with the featured collection or related that shouldn't give the related collection or uh, related collection you can give. So that's good option. So then about the brand or about the ingredients you can give and the FAQs, then a video, simple video how the product made, and the testimonials are very important. Anyhow, we will include the reviews here itself. If it is having reviews, you can also include some testimonials where the it the customer speaks about the brand, speaks about the product. Here, only the rating will be displayed, but here the complete text and images will be displayed. So in this way, you can create a good product page. Pages are very important. As in the Google Ads series, I have explained regarding the shopping ads. When you run the shopping ads, only your product pages will be displayed. The customer will directly land on your product page. Then, if you are exactly described about your product in the product pages, so there are more chances to get the conversions if the customer can purchase the product. Okay. So this is very important when you are making a product page. It should be very fast and the information will be very accurate. Why we are giving the including the feature collection here? This means the customer will buy this product, and they if they can also see the similar products uh, which are related to this, so they can purchase, right? So in that way the order value will increase. So you can check the product which how it looks. It's very simple. Very simple. In the Shopify, it is very simple to customize the theme. It won't take so much of time, stress free. But if you need any specific options, you can always install the apps. But while you're installing, you need also be very careful because it affects your website performance and website speed. Okay, the product page is completed and the home page is completed, which are very important. Then we'll check the blocks. Okay, here you can how you can write the block title. Got can add an image, then make it visible. Block title, then description, then people can share the link. Got it? Then navigation bar, you can add your all the links here itself. And this is the main menu. You can add your menus, include your page links. Okay. And add the pages. number of pages, contractors page or about page. There is any other information if you want to add, you can add, and if you want to add any landing pages, you can do it yourself. So there is not always you want to create your theme or customize your theme, customize your pages on the Shopify itself. We do also have some apps where you can customize your pages. Okay, manually, without including the Shopify. You can customize your pages with all the options you want. Landing pages. This is specifically helps with the landing page. How it can be integrated. So we'll use the app and just in the app we'll design everything and we'll change the theme template here itself. Then once we change the theme template, that complete design which we are made in the application that reflects on this specific page. References. References are nothing but about the Shopify store, the Shopify homepage, headline and description, the page which we have in Google setup, Facebook pixel setup, and store password. And this is the you can manage your B2B companies, B2B customers. So this is about the online store which you can do, and then you can integrate the apps. Click on it. Go to App Store. For example, we have discussed regarding the uh, reviews app, right? So you can install any reviews application. Just me install, and after installing, you will need to customize your application as much as you can with the designs, the colors of the application, what are the features in the application you have. So there will be some work with the application, and they even the application have some pricing, right? So the customer support team will help you while you want to integrate your app, the specific app you're using. Yeah, that's about the Shopify. It's very simple and very easy. You can start your e-commerce journey with the Shopify. If you have any doubts, so regarding the meta fields or anything, let me know in the comments because if I want to share those specific information, I also need your support. If you're looking for specific options, let me know in the comments. I'll help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. We'll meet in the next video.